In our homes, the safety of our children should be our top priority. Unsecured firearms can turn a moment's oversight into a lifetime of regret. Gun safety locks are a simple measure that can prevent these tragedies.
As a community, we have a responsibility to protect our most vulnerable. By securing firearms, we're not just following the law, we're safeguarding our future. Together, let's commit to making gun safety a priority.
This is more than a call to action.
It's a plea for prevention. Secure your guns with safety locks
today.